Hey, Sylwia here, and welcome all to my Buzz video review. So in this Buzz video review, guys, we'll check out the members area. I've got it here. I've also got a bunch of cool bonuses for those who decide this is the product for them and they wish to pick it up via the link below my review. You will find the link to this sales page right below my review in the description box. Okay, now this product is going live on the 21st of May at 9 AM New York time, 6 days launch. Anyhow, here we have the funnel as well, and that's the newest launch by Nelson Long. Good quality vendor. His PLR products, because this is a PLR product, are made in-house, so they're unique, they're original. You will not find them anywhere else. Okay? Now, so what's Buzz Video all about? Essentially, guys, you're getting access to 100 of videos you'll have samples of those videos on the sales page in two formats. So the standard one and vertical one, okay? And these are gonna be those short videos, like bite-size, so-called bite-size videos, which are perfect for social media, TikTok, okay, YouTube Shorts, and they're in popular sort of niches like motivation, diet. As they say on the sales page, drive unlimited viral traffics or boost your social media followers with evocative, ultra-engaging videos that evoke the emotions of viewers. So yes, they evoke emotions, and we are emotional creatures. At least I hope we are still emotional creatures. Okay, guys, so yeah, that's the point. They come with PLR, right? So you can use them as they are, or you can change them up. They will come in MP4 format, which is compatible with any video editing software out there, so you can change them up. And this is the members area, so you will click through this button. Well, as you can see, I am on Buzz Video. Yeah, click to start, click on that, and it's gonna take you to the download page. So they have been grouped according to the categories, according to the niches. So the niches you will have will be age, anger, architecture, attitude, best, brainy, car, change, communication, courage, dad, diet, faith, imagination, and what else? Learning, love, moving on. Yeah, sometimes it's time to move on. So that's what you do. You move on, right? Keep it flowing, keep it going. Positive, science, trust. I have downloaded one of them, the positive one, and I'll show you what you're gonna get. Okay, so if I click on, let's say, a strong positive self-image, let me open up this one. You will have them, as I said, as a vertical, and the first one is the standard one. So let me maybe play them for you. All right, so it is a quote. You know, it is essentially a quote with a nice background, nice powerful music playing at the background as well. Now let's go and check out the vertical one. So yeah, as I said, you're gonna get 100 of such videos in various niches, various categories. As I said, bite size, so small videos, perfect for boosting engagement, for building up your following on social media accounts, perfect for TikTok, right? And so that's that, guys. Not much to show. So yeah, go check out the sales page below my review, like further down the sales page below this, where you see the samples of the videos. You will also have some ideas on how to make money with these videos. And yeah, the PLR. And another thing I wanted to show you is the funnel, guys. And then I'll jump to my bonuses as well. I'm gonna show you what you will get if you pick it up from me. So the front end will be around $20 it seems during the launch, and there will be a bump offer as well of $10, $9.90, called Video Buzz Enhance, so probably more videos. Then we'll have Buzz Video Supreme is the OTO #1 for $47, and Buzz Video Supreme Enhance. Enhance, or is it Enhance? Enhance, I guess. And then OTO #2, Motivational Video Combo for $37. Oh, the OTO #1 was $47. And there would be a bump offer on the OTO #2 as well, Motivational Videos Combo Enhance. So they're pretty much congruent with the front offer, just more videos. And then you will also get some books, okay? So PLR books like this children ebook combo. These are PLR children books, ebooks. And then the Self-Revolution combo. I forgot what it was all about, to be honest with you. I did review this product some time ago, so it's one of Nelson's previous launches. Now he put it as one of the upsells as well. Okay guys, so that's that. And as for my bonuses, I'm gonna give you access to 6 free traffic methods video series pack. It's a PLR product. Most of the products they give you access to as bonuses will be either PLR products as well, or MRR, which is Master Reseller Rights. Now, Master Reseller Rights. The difference between PLR and MRR is that with PLR you can change up the products, you can customize them, you can put your own branding on them, and that's what I would do with these videos, guys. Okay, you can use them as they are. Okay, obviously they will be delivered without the watermark. That's what they just put on the sales page. But what I would personally do, I would probably create a logo with Canva. Okay, you do it for free. And then put it on your videos and change them up a little bit, add some text maybe. You can put like a call to action, even though they are like small motivational videos. So they're more for building up your following on social media accounts and on TikTok, okay? And it's very important for TikTok to have at least 1,000 subscribers, if I well remember, right? Or are they called followers on TikTok, in order to be able to monetize your channel, to put your affiliate links below your videos. So yeah, okay, then next bonus is Guide to Creating Side Hustles Using Fiverr. You can sell these videos on freelancing platforms as well. Then I'll give you an ebook called Branding Yourself and Your Business. And then next one is Growth Mindset. It's actually 10 articles, okay, on growth mindset. Growth is a very, very popular niche, right? Growth, self-improvement, it's a big niche. And the last one is background stock videos. Let me just perhaps show you some of the videos I have here for you as a bonus. So hold on, let me show you what kind of backgrounds you will have. So stuff like that, okay? Yeah, funky looking. Okay, so you can use them for your projects, you can use them for your videos. There you go. Like this. This is pretty cool. And yeah, I'm just showing you a few, and I'm gonna give you here access to over 20 of such backgrounds. See, the whole list is yours, and that's just one of the bonuses, the last one. Let me show you maybe also the growth articles. It's a master reseller, right? So you've got the articles, it's yeah, you've got the opt-in page here and all of that you would need to resell. You will have them delivered in a text, okay, as a simple text in the notepad or Microsoft Word. So you've got the articles like that. All right, so guys, the link to the sales page to Buzz Video will be below my review in the description box. If that's the product for you, go pick it up. And again, PLR product, good quality videos, made in-house, so you will not find them anywhere else. Okay, which is cool. Guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Ciao.